So how do you fix Subnautica 2 crashes and crashes on startup? So the first thing we're going to do is right click on the start button on Windows and then go to settings. And from here, you will need to go to the system category and then on the left side, go to storage. Now in the storage, you want to scroll down and click on temporary files, this one right here. And once it loads, you want to make sure to check DirectX shader cache option here. And then you'll need to click on remove files to clear the temporary files, including the DirectX shader. You can also make sure to check the temporary files as well here. And once you've removed them, the next step is to delete the config files. So you want to right click on the start button, click on run, and then type %sign app data, %sign, and press OK. And this should open up the app data folder. Go back from roaming, and then you want to go to the local folder and look for the game folder. So it should be called Subnautica 2. So you can press anywhere and then start pressing S till you find the folder, which is Subnautica 2. Open it up and then open saved config and right click on the Windows folder and delete it from here. Next, you can close this. Next, you will need to run the game as admin. So if you have the game on Steam, you will instead need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And if you have the game somewhere else, you can just right click on the exe file and run as admin. And for the first launch, after you clean up the config and temp files, it will take a while to compile the shaders again. So just wait for it to load properly. And that should fix the crash problems and the crash at the startup. And if that still doesn't work for you, I have another video showing different methods, which is going to be in the comment below, the link for it, or in the description. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.